why have I opened Scratch? Well, I wanted to make you design a simple catch game. So let's get straight into the video. You already have your own Scratch cat. Now, take the events block when green flag clicked. Now click on Control. Take out the if then block inside the forever loop. Okay. Take out 4 of them. Now click on sensing. Take out key space press. I play with WASD. Let's take A. So A is my left. So click on motion. Now X is like this side where you go like this. Y is like up and down. X is right and left. So change X by 10. So actually this is not supposed to be like that. You have to do -10 because now we'll go like this. And before doing any messing up, so now you just click on it, press the A key. Yeah, it's moving. So if you want to make it go for both like A and D, then yeah, I could. So go in operators and take out OR. Fix it. Or now just wait, I'll just clean up blocks. Can't? Okay. So I'll just keep it here. Now go to sensing. Key space press left arrow key. Then it will. So you have to do the same thing but not change expected for all. So for right arrow key you have to do change X by 10. And go to operators, take out OR. We'll just put OR in all of these to get a bit faster this process. Space key pressed, space key pressed. Same thing. Oh, I don't know. What's your name? My name is Wiplop. Or my name is Ward135. No, Ward190. So now you have to just change this. Right arrow key will be D. Yeah, D. No. D. Show me D. Yeah. I did left, so up will be W. Oh, I have to go down so much. W. Now change this. Hey. This is not supposed to be like this. This is supposed to be right arrow key is D. Now do the same thing. Up arrow key, then this is supposed to be W. What's going on? W. There's no W? Or am I just blind? Gotcha. Down. Down arrow key. And this one is not supposed to be there. I'll just actually I can't see myself. I'll just do there. Yeah, I'll do there. Yeah, this is the normal side. So when down arrow key is S. Where's S? Stupid. Okay, now you have to go back to motion And actually guys, you don't need to do this W, S, D, A. You can just do like right arrow key, up arrow key, down arrow key, and left arrow key. You can do like that. So now take change by Y by 10 so that it will go like this. I'll show you. So yeah, it's like that. And if I take out change Y by 10, just click on it and then negative. Yep. So there you go, you have made your sprite move. Well, that's pretty cool, but when you're pressing A, it should be facing like we. But how? Well, I can show you. So delete. So duplicate this dude and do flip horizontal. Now, so when A key pressed is left, now click on looks, switch costume to 2, and when right arrow key pressed, switch costume to 1. There you go, now you can look. Whee! Okay, so now, but this is not a catch game. Why? Well, I can show you. This is just the beginning. You have to make your sprite move, which has to be. So click on choose a sprite. What does a cat like? A ball? Okay, I'll just take it. So click on this. When green flag clicked, motion, go to random position. Now take out forever loop and if loop. Now this is gonna be a bit tricky. So sensing. When touching sprite 1, I'll just name this cat because it's undefined. There you go. When if touching cat, then so now you have to make a new variable. Now click on this, rename this variable called as score. Okay. When green flag click, set score to 0, change score by 1, and show variable score. So we'll start again. There you go. So yeah, this is one problem. Oh my god, look at this. So we better just stop this. So set score to 0, and if you don't want it to look like this, you can just double click on this. There you go. Now you have, this is your score, and this is your cat, this is the ball which you have to catch. Now we are almost done, you just need to add one more block. So yeah, go to random position. Now you can just test it out. Open. So we'll start. Link. Bap. Okay, so it's working perfectly. But what if I want the background color? No worries. Click on background. Actually, this looks very like blank, which I don't like. Backdrops. Let's zoom out. Let's build with outline of. Wait, build an outline of. I'll just build a small square like this. Now I'll do take outline of this thing. Yeah, there you go. So we're oh, take this thing. Yeah, this thing. Like no. Okay, fine. I'll just build an. Yeah. Yep, there you go. So actually, let's just change the outline. Yeah, because it comes with the outline. Let's check what could we fill it with. Red. Okay. But I already filled it. Wait. Okay, that is very very much. Well, I'll just remove this. Bruh. I look at the backdrops. Well, I'll leave it like this. So, yep. You can, if you wanted to change color continuously, I'll give you an idea. Events, one green flag, click on this forever. Change color effect by 25. Okay, this actually hurts my eyes, not gonna lie. So you can go to set for control. Wait, not 1 second. Let's keep it as 0 seconds. 0. 0.50. 50 seconds? Not at all. 0.50. Yeah, there you go. You're done with your catch game. Now, just start moving your cat sprite. Get it? But sometimes, you know that the ball can camouflage into the colors, which is a bit hard to get. And you have successfully made a catch game. And if you want to add a score where you get somewhere about 100, then so click on ball. Now, if then operators is equal to or greater than. So we'll just keep it as 105. It's just a basic number. 105. Now click on score. You'll be like, how do I put this thing? We'll just take out score and score. Kind of clean up blocks. Oh. Yeah, so score 105. Then control, go down, click on stop all, but change this, stop this script. Stop yeah, so there you go. You can stop that script, but your cat also should not be moving. But how do you do that? Click on the ball, just click on all. It was just normal. I'll just run test something. So stop all, and before stopping all, yeah, so then this thing should be in the cat sprite. So cat sprite got this thing. Click on the ball, delete this. If you don't have it, it's not necessary. So, not stop all. Before that, click on looks. Say you have won the catch game. Sorry, my grammar's a bit wrong. So remind me. You have won the catch game. Two exclamation marks. There we go. Now let's just test our code out. Oh yeah, wait. So I'll just do a bit of cheating because I need to test, obviously. Wait. Click on this, set score to 99. Bink. Now when start, then bink. There you go. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. You won the catch game. I can't move, and now the game stopped. Yep, so it's working perfectly. So I will just share this. I'll just give it a name of catch game. And I'll give some cool tags. Games. I can't get any tags ideas. So you can just write the instructions. WASD or arrow keys to move. Okay. Get score off. Oh sheesh. What does that? Okay, I'll just close it, please. Good grammar. I know I have spelling mistakes. Get score of 105 to win. How do you make this project? I did this project by myself. I did this project by myself. Okay, done. So now it's gone to the whole scratch thing. And if you don't want it to be shared, okay, the file. Oh, I only know how to delete. Yep, guys, you have successfully made a catch game, which is pretty good. Looking good, also, actually. Yeah. I'll play with arrow keys. This is so uncomfortable. Well, bye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.